Hello dear subscribers, they will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you have a follow problem on your Instagram app, so for fixing it, first thing, just try to log in into your account from another device. So just use another device for your Instagram account. And also, if it doesn't help you, you can also try to use another Wi-Fi network or cellular data. So just go to the settings, and if you're using Wi-Fi, just try to use mobile data. Just turn on mobile data and turn off Wi-Fi. And if you're using cellular data, just turn off cellular data and turn on Wi-Fi. So this is the thing how you can also try to fix it. And also you can try to use VPN, so just try to use VPN, so sometimes it also helps too. And the latest option, you can go to the general, just scroll down, just find here shutdown, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple, restore your phone. So I hope that it will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.